Hello, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So the question is, a nucleus has mass number 216, its radius is. So this is a KSET 2013 physical science question paper. So options 0.78 for me, 0.078 for me, 78 for me, and 0.78 for me. So the given mass number is 216. The nuclear radius formula is R equal to R naught times mass number, they raised to 1 by 3. R equal to R naught value is 1.2 femtometer into 216. Mass number is 216. You get to simplify 1.2 into that is 6. We get nearly 7.2 femtometer. So 7.2 femtometer is nearly equal to 7.8 for me. So option D is the right answer. So move on next question. According to liquid drop model, the surface correction term is proportional to option A, option B A raised to 1 by 3, option B A raised to 2 by 3, and option D A raised to minus 2 by 3. The right answer option A raised to 2 by 3. So in the liquid drop model, a nucleus behave like a tiny droplet of a liquid. Surface term deals with nucleons on the surface that are not fully bound. So we count how many nucleons lie on the surface. So radius are directly proportional to the mass number raised to 1 by 3. So surface area directly proportional to the R square. So surface area directly proportional to the mass number. So raised to 2 by 3 equal to the A raised to 2 by 3. So option D is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. A raised to 2 by 3. Move on next question. Parity is violated during. So this is also 2013 KSET PYQ. So options strong interaction, electromagnetic interaction, weak interaction, and option D gravitational interaction. So the right answer option C, weak interaction. So parity means mirror symmetry. Simple question. Does nature looks the same in mirror? So if yes, parity is conserved. If no, parity is violated. So move on next question. Which interaction governs beta decay? Strong, electromagnetic, weak, and gravitational. And the right answer option C, weak. Move on next question. During beta plus decay, a neutron converts to proton, a proton converts to neutron, no change in Z and no change in A. So A means mass number, Z means proton atomic number. So beta plus decay, during beta plus decay, proton converts to neutron. So option B is the right answer. So inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons live together. Sometimes the balance is wrong. To fix that balance, a neutron can change into proton, or proton can change into neutron. This change is called a beta decay. So there are two types of beta decay: beta minus decay and beta plus decay. So this is a beta minus decay representation. Neutron converts to proton and and electron with antineutrino. In beta plus decay, proton converts to neutron and positron with neutrino. So move on next question. In beta decay, which particles are emitted? So option: positron and neutrino, electron and antineutrino, proton and electron, neutron and neutrino. So in beta minus decay, which particles are emitted? The right answer, option B, electron and antineutrino. Here beta minus decay, neutron converts to proton, electron emitted particles are electron plus antineutrino. So in beta minus decay, emitted particles electron plus antineutrino. In beta decay, emitted particles positron and neutrino. So these are the important points. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.